Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2012 Ram 2500 and 3500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt the truck's bed and lift it to create working clearance. Remove any fuel lines or other lines and brackets in the work area. Remove the rear leaf spring and move it aside. Step 3. This rear frame repair kit covers the section of frame that houses the leaf spring mount, spare tire crossmember, exhaust hanger, and leaf spring bumper. The leaf spring bumper is on 3500 models only. You have two options. Option 1. Remove the leaf spring mount, spare tire crossmember, exhaust hanger, and leaf spring bumper by cutting the welds that hold them to the frame rail. Replace them later. Option 2. Keep those parts and remove the perforations in the repair section that accommodate them. Step 4. Hold the repair section against the frame rail and mark the coverage area. Cut along the bottom of the frame rail where the section will install. Remove approximately 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of material from the bottom of the frame rail. Step 5. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Slide the repair section into place using the frame holes for alignment. Use a hammer to seat the section snug on the frame rail. C-clamp the repair section in place and confirm alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section in place, then fully weld all edges. Step 6. If the leaf spring mount, spare tire crossmember, exhaust hanger, or leaf spring bumper were removed earlier, install replacements. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall any fuel lines or brackets that were removed. Reinstall the rear leaf spring, then lower and reinstall the bed.